कैसे हो आप सब? I hope you guys are very well and practice yoga every day. So today you can see here I'm sitting on the chair. Those who practice, those who have back pain cannot sit on the floor. So this yoga exercise for those people. बहुत लोग होता है हमारे घर में जो ओल्ड एज हमारा मेंबर है घर का, जो लोग ऑफिस में जॉब करते हो, टीचर हो या तो आईटी में काम करते हो, तो बहुत टाइम तक ऐसे चेयर में बैठने के लिए उन लोगों का बैक पेन होता है। तो आज हम ऐसे कुछ एक्सरसाइज देखेंगे कि बैक पेन कैसे हम चेयर में बैठ के बैक पेन कैसे रिलीव कर सके, और रदर देन जो लोग जमीन में नहीं बैठ पाते, फ्लोर में योगा मैट में नहीं बैठते, वो लोग कैसे चेयर में बैठ के कैसे शरीर को ठीक रह सकते हो। तो ठीक है, तो आज प्रैक्टिस होगा दिस एक्सरसाइज फॉर एक्चुअली दोज हु वॉक इन द चेयर लॉन्ग टाइम and those who the old age member in my house. Okay, first we are going to some little bit warm up our body like this. Inhale, raise your hands up, exhale down 5 times, continue. Inhale up, exhale down slowly, inhale up, exhale down, again inhale up, exhale down. The last one, inhale up. Interlock your finger, palm press into the sky and make a stretch on your back. Slowly arch back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, slowly come front. Both palms in front of your chest, open your chest. Continue. 1, to relax your back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax both palms over your shoulder and slowly rotate your shoulder like this. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both hand in again interlock and both hand back side of the head slowly. Try to touch your both elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hand side of the body, slowly bend your body to the right side down. Inhale center, exhale left side down. Inhale center, exhale right side. Inhale center, exhale left side. Continue. Inhale center, exhale right, and you have to stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale center, exhale left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like this, if you sit on the chair for a long time, this is the perfect exercise for reduce back pain. And you know, every day like 5 minutes, if you practice like this, you feel more relaxed, more stronger, more healthy. Okay. So next we are going to some leg, little bit leg. First fold your right leg like this, and you can shake your knees slowly ups and down. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Follow me. Same way. Just fold your leg, right leg, and slowly close to the chest. Inhale, slowly up. Exhale, close to the chest. Continue. Inhale up, exhale close to the chest. Continue. Inhale up and stay. If you can, then slowly rotate your leg. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again exhale. Chin to knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Same way, change your leg. Again, both hand under the knee. Inhale, slowly up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale. Inhale, up. Exhale. The last one, inhale, up. And slowly rotate clock and anti-clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Left leg over your thigh And again slowly press it down to relax your spine, relax your lower body. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, now the next one is raise your both hands up. If you have too much back pain, so slowly come forward, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, side te jaga, inhale up, exhale slowly come down, inhale up, exhale slowly come down, continue flow, inhale up, exhale slowly come down. The last one, inhale up, again arch back, slowly arch back, go back maximum. 1 2 3 4 5, exhale, again slowly come down. 1 2 3 4 5, come center. Now from here, right hand back side, follow me. Left hand you can do like this, just slowly as much as possible, twist your spine, twisting. 1 2 3 4 5, same inhale, exhale, change your side, twisting. 1 2 3 4 5, again same inhale. Now left hand over your knee and right hand back side of the chair, you can grab it like this, twist your spine. 1 2 3 4 5, from here again inhale up, exhale, same way, twist your spine. 1 2 3 4 5, very good. Now we are practice some standing exercise with the support of the chair. So like this. Now from here, right leg just slowly up, continue. 1 2 3 4 5. You can go for 10 or you can go for 20, it's up to you. Same way, change. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now follow me. We are going to some stretching like this. You can take support like this. Inhale, go back, slowly push your hip down. Exhale, again like this. So actually this exercise for those who cannot practice regularly, those who are the old age people in our home, those working in the office. This is for you. Not too much heavy. Inhale, slowly, exhale, down. Same way, 5 times right side, 5 times left side. Push your body down, exhale, stretching. Inhale, exhale. So this is a complete series. I request to everyone, please practice. If you are the like office worker, if you are working job in IT sector, or like sitting job. So this is the actual workout for you. Lot of people comment that you have back pain. So you can do this exercise every day 5 minutes from your busy schedule. And within 1 week you can see the changes, okay? Please mention a good comment how you are feeling after practicing, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. स्वस्थ रहिए, खुश रहिए और योगा बस कीजिए. नमस्ते.